What's up, Art of Construction Tribe? Devon Tilly here, and today we're going to start showcasing a true begin with the end in mind. And on a construction project, it never really begins or ends except the construction of building a beautiful structure. And so I've been on a long journey, and this is going to be a documentary style that ties in and out of, I have been blessed to enjoy this structure, and I've also been blessed to enjoy the previous structure. And so this is the house of my wife's best friend that we worked. Big shout out to Matt McMullen through Art of Construction, who is the executive director and architect on this project. And they went through just a tragic, and being with them when here in Grand Lake, when the fire came through, of the house that her parents built burnt down. And so today we're going to go through that story of what do you do when something like that happens? And how do you recreate something to go through that trauma, to rebuild it, to continue to have as much fun as possible? And that's not easy, tribe. When the insurance and the fire and the devastation is hitting you, and you have a timeline where you have to rush this whole legacy to rebuild where we're at today. But I'm honored to say I've been the one from the beginning when they called us and said, what do we do here? I said, I think you should try system-built construction, and you should hire someone like Matt McMullen that's really going to create a digital build to begin with the end in mind. And that's what we did here. And so there's two different circles coming together on this track. Is I'm going to be focusing on a long format. If you want to pay attention and go listen to the podcast, that we're closing in on our 400th episode of people like Matt McMullen who have helped build these lifestyles. And Mountain View Window and Door, my badge that I proudly wear here. Shout out to Crystal and Maddie and the team. Go see them on the social media, because that's what Mountain View is, captures the mountain views. So Matt McMullen worked with them to orientate, to say they've lived on here, and sometimes the mountain views change, like when a fire comes through and it looks a little bit different. But today we're going to go have as much fun as possible. We get to interview the family who they went out today. They're stocking the fish ponds. The house is done, and we get to capture that. So what do you say? Let's go in here together and have as much fun as possible and talk with others about how they can create their art of construction.